Executive Chairman of Egor Local Government, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, don't carry waka again to Edaiken market to extend her cash empowerment to more traders for the market to help them boost their businesses. You now go remember I said the Egor Local Government Chairman a few weeks ago empower over 25 traders for Edaiken market, what them know as Uselu market, with cash to help them boost their businesses, and she can't promise to revisit the market to extend the empowerment to traders who not benefit from her first visit, and she don't fulfill her promise as she empower more petty traders for the market.
We're just giving them small empowerment. Okay, it's just a small empowerment, 20,000 to add to what you're using to. Yeah. Then who is Kate Ebosele? Okay. Christiana. Now you they sell fish?
Yes.
Where they sell fish? Eh? Mama Buki waiting. You not get your own shade? Ah, okay. Okay. Fish. You have 50,000. Get up. Then it be me. Okay, yeah, come. You're the one doing eggs. Eh? Okay. What is it? Okay, 30,000. So thank you. Get up, my darling. You have to thank your mama. Eh? Okay. Fatima. Now you they sell granuts. Okay. You have 20,000 for you to add to your business. Get up, my dear. Rita. Pumpkin leaf. Where you they sell them? Inside market. Okay. You have 20,000 to add to your business. Eh? Thank God. So Kate is not here. Okay. No wahala. So I wish you guys all the best. We are going to be coming to monitor you to see how you are faring with your business. Do you understand? Eh? So if you have any challenges, you will let us know. Then you tell Mama as well, you know, because it does not matter your tribe. It does not matter where you come from. As long as you are living in our local government and you are trading in our markets in our local government and you need our assistance, the little we can do, we'll continue to do it for you guys. Eh?
Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for her talk with Tori people, can reaffirm her commitment to support petty and downtrodden traders for our local government to help them continue to day trade.
We are at Edaiken market to empower some traders on fruits, tomatoes, fish, eggs, and groundnut pumpkin leaf. So we just empower some of them with 50,000, 30, 20,000, you know, to help them in their business, you know. So I want to thank God for everything, and we are still going to take it all the way to other markets. So we are going to be doing Use, Ewotubu, and Egor market by next week.
Some of the traders can express gratitude to Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for her kind gesture.
I thank you for the mommy when help us. That person give us that money, that person will not drop because one I be widow. As he give me this, I appreciate. God bless him.
What did they say?
Now fish.
Thank you.
When I retire, I thank our chairman for this money we give me. God will bless her. I live like they say. Thank her, may God bless her. I thank my mommy Eghe Ogbemudia for the empowerment that she give us today. May God begin to help her. Make it the work begin to grow. Anything where she put on, it go better for her. People will never see, I made the call see what PDP do for us. It's not easy. Maybe to talk for math, make the call use I see and then do it for our body. Oh, thank you.
For what she's doing for us. Thanks so much. God will be with her. And by the grace of God. Thanks for her. I will use them very well. Now I got this set, so I will continue to sell.
Make you no forget, say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From a local government area of Edo State, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.